Good morning. How is everyone? Hope you're doing well. Today it's breakfast time. I'm going to have some sardines on toast. As we know, sardines are really good for us, good for our bones. It's got protein. It's got everything that's great for you. So these are the sardines I'm having. I think I bought them in M&S. And I'm just going to use the oil from the can itself. So let's go across here. Place you down here. I've got my pan ready, and I had some leftover onions, so I'm going to use those, and I'm going to put some chili, and it's strange, the lighting, isn't it? I don't know whether it's good. Should I place you on this side? Sorry, let's see. Place you on this side. Is that better? I'm not sure. Yeah, I think this is good. This is good. Right, so I'm going to get my can. I've turned on the heat. I'm going to turn it down a little bit. It's too. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this, and I'm just going to drain the oil from the sardines. And that way, I've got a little bit of chopped onions. It's about a quarter of an onion. Dropping that in. Take some chili. Just gonna chop that chili in. And I have these great garlic granules. I think they're Japanese. So instead of fresh granules, I'm gonna use these ones. I bought this from TK Maxx a while ago. It's £2.99. I took it's all written in Japanese, so I don't know. Right, so I'm going to drop those in as well. Liberal quantity. You can use fresh. And then on high heat, we shall cook this quickly. I'm going to pause this camera for a second while this cooks, so I'm not boring you. I've also got some coriander here, so I'm just going to chop the coriander in, so it gives lots of flavor. So thus far we've got onions, we've got some garlic and chili and fresh coriander going in. You can squeeze a bit of lemon. I should see if I have lemon, because I'm going to be doing that. I think I've got some lemon out. Right. These sardine fillets are without bone or skin. I don't, usually when you get them, you can eat the bone and the skin. It's all good for you. All of it going in. I'm going to increase the heat again, because these are cooked sardines, so it's not much you have to do. Squeeze some lemon in. I always keep lemon in the house. It's so good for you. And so you've got lemon, garlic, chilies, coriander, and onions. And then I'm just going to top it onto my sourdough bread. And this is a delicious snack. It's a delicious breakfast. It's a delicious canapé to put on your blinis or little crostinis. So many ideas. You can even put it in your taco. This will be your fish taco. So let us top this up. It's going to be so good. If you like pepper, you can put pepper on it, but I think this has got plenty of flavor. And any leftovers I'll have for breakfast tomorrow, or maybe as a snack later on in the evening. Let's give it a taste and see how it is. So good. Quick breakfast. Bye for now.